Yeah, so it's good to see everyone again. And I've always enjoyed doing sessions with Tare social members because you all are very open to listening to new things. And that also gives me the motivation to, study more, know about more things myself. So thank you very much. I would like to thank you all, first of all. Okay, so the topic that we are going to, talk about today is neuroplasticity. So have you heard of this term? Neuroplasticity, one or two have heard, some have not heard. तो ये न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी के बारे में हम लोगों ने थोड़ा we have spoken also in the earlier presentations. So basically, in simple words, it is the brain's ability to change throughout life. Okay, so it changes throughout life. Okay, so when we are trying to, use a new phone, we are trying to use a new gadget, or maybe we are trying to study a new subject or listening to a new topic. Okay, so our brain is able to grasp. Okay, so in doing that process, it is changing according to the new experiences that we expose it to. Okay, so whatever environmental stimuli are there, whatever new situations we come across. Okay, so our brain is adapting and changing according to those circumstances. Okay, so it keeps growing and evolving. Okay, whenever we are doing something new, trying to learn something new. Okay, now why is this important? Why is this important?
As a human being, we can learn at every age, we can learn.
At every age, we can learn. Okay, so now I think after listening to so many sessions, that is clear to you, but even psychologists and researchers for a long time had thought that the brain stops growing after childhood. Okay, so in adolescence or maybe after a person gains adulthood, a scientist believe that the brain cannot change at all. Okay, so our brain is fixed. But current research in psychology, in gerontology, shows that brain is able to continue growing and changing throughout the lifespan. Till the time I die, the brain continues to grow, evolve, adapt, and change. Okay, so they are saying that the functions of the brain can also change. Secondly, the structure of the brain also changes. Okay, which is very, very important. Okay, here, so plasticity, neurons, we know that they are the building blocks, okay, in the brain. Okay, so nerves, related to nerves is neuro and plasticity. Plasticity मतलब plastic नहीं है, it is the capacity to be shaped or molded or altered. It can change. Okay, so this is the same thing I have written out here. Okay, so in old age, generally, this is very, very important. Why? Because we feel that we have certain habits. We have certain habits. We have certain ways of doing things. And also the fact that we cannot learn new things. Why? Because our brain will not be able to grasp new things. But research has totally challenged and totally that this is dispelled that myth which is there, that the brain cannot change, the brain cannot accept, or the brain cannot learn new things. Okay, so 1 minute. So the brain is composed of billions of neurons, not millions, billions of neurons. Okay, so which collect, process, and send information. Okay, so there are complex electrical circuits. We don't need to get into the details. So which allows the neurons to talk with one another. So these connections are crucial. And these connections is something which is called the synapse. 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 Okay, so these connections, the neurons are connected to one another through synapses. Okay, so these connections which are there between the neurons is very, very crucial. They send messages to other parts of the body through the nervous system. So if I'm going to touch a stove, so the sensory neurons in my brain will tell me that, okay, this is very hot. Okay, so the motor neurons, there are different kinds of neurons. So the motor neurons will tell me, okay, take my hand away because it is very, very hot. Okay, so there are there are multiple neural connections in everyone's brain. Okay, so when we are younger, children are able to grasp a lot of things quicker. Okay, and then we say that, only in childhood we are able to learn. So the brain has an abundance of young neurons, which helps the brain to take in information quickly and form new neural connections. Okay, so in childhood, that is very easily possible. So the brain development continues to mature into mid to late 20s. From there on, okay, the brain continues to shrink. It starts shrinking. And that the shrinkage is increasing after the age of 60. Okay, and this change can affect cognitive functions like memory. So this shrinking of the brain, और अगर आप देखेंगे Alzheimer's dementia जैसे जो diseases होते हैं उसमें हमारा जो brain है that shrinks, that becomes smaller. Why? Because the brain cells tend to die. Okay, so the shrinkage of the brain can affect cognitive functions like memory, processing speed, decision making, and learning. Okay, so what we are saying, and we have, I think, done this multiple times earlier, that the information processing, the speed at which I am able to grasp things, it reduces. But that does not mean that I am not able to take in new things or learn new things. हम लोगों को क्या लगता है थोड़ा सा टाइम लगा तो हम लोगों को आएगा ही नहीं. That is not the case. It takes time. So we have to have patience with ourselves also. Okay, so this change which takes place in the brain, this shrinkage which takes place, affects cognitive functions like memory, processing speed, decision making, and learning. All the areas that may leave a person a little less sharp as we get older. Okay, so here I have mentioned how neuroplasticity changes with age. So with age, what happens? There is cognitive decline. There might be cognitive decline. सभी में होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. Aging can cause cognitive decline, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं विचारात्मक जो हमारी शक्ति है, वो थोड़ी बहुत कम हो जाती है. जितना उसको हम लोग ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, वो कम नहीं होगी. Okay, so cognitive decline could take place. That is the first thing. Second is, as we are saying, brain shrinkage. Okay, so mid to late adulthood, this starts the shrinkage of the brain, and the rate of shrinkage increases after the age of 60. Okay, and they say that older adults may show less neuroplasticity than younger people. So their brains may be less adaptable than younger people. However, the brain has amazing capacity to change and adapt even in old age. Okay, we have been, continuously some, real life examples I have been giving you earlier also of this lady called Bakul Chatterjee who gave her first year BA exam at the age of 87.
87.
87, first year BA exam, went to a college in Kolkata, was sitting with students who were 70 years younger to her. People used to call her Thakuma. Okay, she said, I was not able to learn in my earlier age. मैं अपना certificate लेके ही मरूंगी, उसके बाद ही मरूंगी. Okay, so this was the kind of determination that she showed. Another example, I think, which I gave you last time is of this Rajkumar Vaishya. So he was studying in University of Nalanda, and he was giving his MA in economics exam at the age of 98. 98 में, 98, MA in इकोनॉमिक्स, वो भी इकोनॉमिक्स जैसा बहुत डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट. Okay, and his name had come in one of the records. Why it came? The fact that it should have come because he was giving that exam at the age of 98, but उसके लिए तो आया ही नहीं records में नाम. किसके लिए आया? Because during that 3 hour exam, he took 23 supplements. 23 supplements. This person, Rajkumar Vaishya, उनका न्यूज़पेपर में आया था. तो 23 supplements he took, and ऐसा भी नहीं कि he any rubbish he wrote. Okay, all related to the concept and the subject and the questions which were asked. So this kind of activity is not possible if the brain is not going to adapt and change. Okay, so these are live examples which we have. Okay, so the brain begins to develop. Okay, this is a this is a definition which is there. So the connections among the cells in our brains, they reorganize in response to the changing needs. Okay, that's what we have been saying. So why is this important? It is important first of all in old age, because we think that we will not be able to think in new ways. We won't be able to form new connections. We won't be able to develop new relationships. We won't be able to develop new mindsets. We won't be able to develop new memories, new skills, new abilities. Okay, so research has totally dispelled, पूरे तरीके से उसको चैलेंज कर दिया है. इट इज नॉट ट्रू कि हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड ऑल द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इन ओल्ड एज. Okay, so day-to-day behaviors can have measurable effects on brain structure and function. So day-to-day behaviors. Okay, day-to-day behaviors हमारे important है. If I want to learn a particular thing, if I want to learn a particular musical instrument, a subject, so day-to-day behaviors, whether I'm practicing, whether repetition is there, and there are certain principles of neuroplasticity. Before our time finishes, I want to do the most important things. क्या है इसमें? What are the principles? The types and all, that is different. We will go. Are you able to see the principles? Is it clear? Are you able to see? Okay. So the first thing is attention. Okay, so these are certain principles which are there. Attention. हमारा attention होना चाहिए. बहुत बार ऐसे भी होता है कि कोई चीज में we are not interested, we are not paying attention also, and then we expect that we remember those things, which does not happen even in young age. So attention, focusing on that particular task is very, very important. Like we said, Rajkumar Vaishya focused on this for 3 hours. Attention is very, very important. Second, principle of neuroplasticity. Sustained engagement. And this is where हम लोग, मुझे लगता है, we generally either don't do this, और फिर यहाँ पे हम लोग इतना efforts नहीं लगाते हैं. Sustained engagement. So it occurs slowly over an extended period of time. So person must spend sufficient time with exposure to the specific task before profound changes can take place. So just like a bodybuilder who goes to a gym will slowly grow muscles. Okay, will slowly grow muscles. So if we want to become our cognitive programming, हमारा जो विचारों की जो शक्ति है या फिर learning की जो हमारी शक्ति है, if we want to make that stronger, it is going to take time and we have to sustain. We have to continuously engage with it. If we don't do that, then it is not going to happen. Okay. The third important principle of neuroplasticity is effortful processing. Effortful. प्रयत्नपूर्वक हमको वो एक्टिविटी को प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड बहुत बार हम लोगों को ऐसे लगता है, एंड दिस इज what happens in old age कि हम लोगों को लगता है कि ये मुझे नहीं आएगा. I will not be able to do this. And then that also comes in the way. My memory is failing me. Okay, so I avoid using my memory. Okay, so effort has to be put in. Effortful processing is extremely important. Okay, so what did we say? It requires an effortful process. So उसमें हम लोगों को एफर्ट लगाना पड़ेगा कुछ भी अगर हम लोगों को सीखना है तो. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल, परसों ही मैं पेपर में पढ़ रही थी, उसमें देयर वाज दिस एग्जांपल और रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट वेयर अ पर्सन started learning the Bhagavad Gita backwards. He is learning the Bhagavad Gita backwards. उसको सीधा ही पढ़ना is very very complex. Okay, because I learned the 12th and the 15th chapter when I was very young. So I know that it is very complex and it takes a lot of time to learn those Bhagavad Gita chapters. And here he is trying to learn it backwards. Okay,
So
so I
backward
think he did it for continuously for a period of 6 months. A person, a senior citizen in Parla, it had come in the paper. Okay, so this is sustained engagement and effortful processing. Okay, another, this is, I think I have also given you the example of Fauja Singh. Fauja Singh का आपने नाम सुना होगा. His name is very, very popular. Fauja Singh ने started running at the age of 89. 89 की उम्र में started running. Okay, started running marathons. And at 100, he had run marathons in all major cities all over the world. There is a Bollywood film also which is going to be made on him. And they called him the Turban Tornado. Itna जोर से भागते हैं. And why did Fauja Singh start running? He started running at the age of 89. Why? Because he had lost his wife. And he lost his adult son. उनके बहुत उनका जवान बेटा passed away. And to forget that grief, he started running at the age of 89. And then continued from 89 to almost 93. For 4-5 years, he was constantly running, practicing each and every day. Okay, so sustained engagement, continuously करना. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, थोड़ी देर के बाद उसको छोड़ देते हैं, अरे हमको तो जमता ही नहीं है. Okay, तो ये we are telling ourselves that in old age, and society also gives us this message all the time. नहीं जमेगा, नहीं कर सकेंगे, नहीं याद कर सकेंगे. Another example, I mean, one of our relatives, he after the age of 70, he did 2 PhDs. एक भी PhD करने में इतना difficult है, लोगों को 8-8, 9-9 साल लग जाते हैं. I know I have not done my PhD, but my mother has done her PhD. She took 8 to 9 years. So this person did 2 PhDs after the age of 70. बोलते हैं इतना टाइम है, क्या करूं? Okay, so effortful processing, sustained engagement, very, very important. Okay, the next principle of neuroplasticity is novelty. Okay, so novelty. Okay, so trying to do maybe new learning. Okay, new learning. But ये जो complexity है, it has to be at a pace or at a level which is manageable. Okay, which is achievable. Okay, if it is very, very complex and if I am going to fail continuously, then I am not going to have interest in that at all. Okay. Another, this is, आप लोगों ने वो देखा है कि नहीं मुझे मालूम नहीं, वो this also lady, Gujju Ben. Her name is Gujju Ben. Gujju Ben का नाश्ता. She had come on Master Chef. And yeah, so, if you see her YouTube channel, she has made so many dishes. and she came on Master Chef, and the judges actually told her कि आपको इतना कुकिंग के बारे में और खाना पकाने के बारे में मालूम है कि आपको हमारे जगह पे होना चाहिए. And this lady left Master Chef. I'm sure you must have seen it. Her name is also very well known. She left Master Chef not because she got disqualified in any way, but because she was not willing to cook non-veg food. Okay, so she tried out complex dishes, vegetarian, but complex dishes which she did not know. Chinese hai, Punjabi hai, naya which she knew only Gujarati dishes. But she tried out new things. So complexity, but something that I can achieve, so that there is that sense of achievement. Okay, this is differentiated. Another principle of neuroplasticity is differentiated stimulation. That means different areas of the brain need to be stimulated. That is what is meant by differentiated stimulation. So if my memory is weak, and generally cognitive psychologists or neuropsychologists will help you to do a cognitive assessment, and जो मेरे functions weak हैं, that need to be strengthened. Okay, so that is what is called differentiated stimulation. That means specific tasks that strengthen our weaker cognitive functions. तो मेरी अगर memory weak है, तो then उसको मुझे strengthen करने के लिए I need to do some exercises for that. मेरी अगर reasoning weak है, तो then I need to, तो हम लोग जो बोलते हैं ना, or maybe we can say targeted stimulation. Target whatever is weak. Okay, so that is, so those are some of the principles of neuroplasticity. Okay, another this neuroplasticity के benefits भी बहुत हैं. Okay, so we are able to learn new things at any age. 100, 120, 125, you are able to learn at any age. Okay, so as I was telling you, two, three things are important if I want to learn new things. एक तो interest. दूसरी चीज repetition. Repeating constantly is very important. And what else? Repeating is important, interest is important, and बोलिए और क्या important होगा?
Physical fitness होना.
Brain fitness.
हाँ,
Fitness is necessary, so we can.
fitness.
Yes, if we are fit, we can do it.
Fitness. Boost brain fitness.
Fitness is very important. So we are saying that physical fitness is also important, and our mental fitness is also important. Your brain fitness is also important. Okay, so we are saying that repetition is extremely important. Okay, so what are the benefits of neuroplasticity? Ability to learn new things, ability to enhance our existing cognitive capabilities. You are able to recover from strokes. तो हमारा brain इतना, it's a unique organ कि एक समझो, if a person gets a stroke and say suppose my left hand gets paralyzed. Okay, so the function that my left arm is doing will be taken over by my right arm. Okay, so if you are going to be blindfolded for 2 days, say suppose if you are going to be blindfolded for 2 days, तो हमारा जो सेंसरी ये है, सेंसरी हमारे जो ऑर्गन्स हैं वो ज्यादा एक्टिवेट हो जाएंगे. मेरा स्मेल और ज्यादा एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. ओके, टच मेरा ज्यादा एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा इफ आई एम blindfolded. Okay, so the other organs will take over. Okay, so recovery from strokes, traumatic brain injuries, and brain abnormalities is possible only because of neuroplasticity. Because our brain is able to adapt and change throughout our. Okay, so strengthen areas where function is lost or has declined.
Baby, please put your face on the other side. Don't cough in the.
Is someone saying something?
Yes, Vijay. I'm asking her to shift her face from the microphone and then cough. She's coughing into disturbing.
Okay, okay. Yeah, better now?
Yes, Vijay.
Yeah, okay.
Please, आवाज
Okay.
हटा दो.
So this leads to neuroplasticity, helps in boosting our brain fitness. As we were saying, brain fitness is also important, makes our brain more resilient और ज्यादा strong हमारे brain को बनाने में मदद करता है. Okay, so हमारे जो different ways of thinking, जो हमारे set patterns of thinking है, वो भी हम लोग change कर सकते हैं. नई आपको कुछ डिश ट्राई करनी है, वो भी आप कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो इफ दैट विलिंगनेस इज देयर, इंटरेस्ट इज देयर, आप ट्राई आउट करने की अगर वो इच्छा होगी तो डेफिनेटली आप कर सकते हैं. तो और एक मुझे आपको बोलना था कि देयर इज अ डाउन साइड टू न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी which they caution us about. Okay, brain is always learning, but the brain is neutral. It doesn't know the difference between the good and the bad. Okay, so it learns whatever is repeated. So that includes helpful behaviors also and unhelpful behaviors also. So हमारे जो unhelpful thoughts, actions और habits हैं, उसको अगर हमको ब्रेक करना है, ओके, तो वो भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. हमारे जो डिप्रेसिव थॉट्स हैं, एंग्शियस, ऑब्सेसिव एंड इवन ओवर रिएक्टिव हमारे जो पैटर्न्स हैं, सो दैट ऑल्सो वी आर एबल टू चेंज. ओके, बट जो हम लोगों ने प्रिंसिपल्स यहाँ पे देखे, वी नीड टू पे अटेंशन टू दैट. Okay, so how can, this is also one of the very important slides. How can neuroplasticity be applied? क्या क्या करना चाहिए so that we are able to apply it in our daily life? Yes, traveling. Okay, that helps us to get exposed to new stimuli, learning something new, mnemonic devices, memory training. ओके, कॉन्स्टेंटली आप लोग देखते हैं मेमोरी को हमारे ट्रेन करने की जरूरत है. ओके, नेमोनिक्स हम लोग जो देखते हैं, नेमोनिक्स मतलब हम लोग जो अगर हम लोग ये यूएन, यूनाइटेड नेशंस, तो हम लोग कैसे यूएन ही बोलते हैं. ओके, सो हम लोग वी आर रिमेम्बरिंग ओनली द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्ड. तो इससे हम लोगों को वो पूरा जो फुल फॉर्म है वो याद रखने में मदद होती है. तो निमोनिक्स टू रिमेम्बर बेटर. Okay, so all these strategies we have to use. Write down certain things. Okay, I constantly, if I have to, matlab, I mean, even now I feel very scared, when I am doing a session, but I write down things. If I write down things, it gets registered in my brain.
Very good.
Okay, so constantly we have to help our brain, aid our brain, rather than expecting it to remember everything. Learning a new musical instrument helps to connect different brain regions and helps to also form new neural networks. Okay, so learning a musical instrument, non-dominant hand exercises, जो हम लोगों ने last time भी देखा था, non-dominant hand exercises. If I am writing with my right hand, every time write with my left hand. Okay, so that also helps in forming new neural. कुछ भी आप नया करेंगे तो एक नया कनेक्शन हमारे ब्रेन में बनता है. ये हम लोगों को याद रखना है. ओके, अमिताभ बच्चन को अगर आप देखेंगे तो ही इज एम्बीडेक्स्ट्रस Ambidextrous means what? Is able to use
Both.
both hands well. Right hand also, left hand also. Okay, so these non-dominant hand exercises, जब भी कोई स्ट्रोक आएगा या फिर कोई ब्रेन की बीमारी होगी तभी हमको ये ट्राई करना है, ऐसा नहीं है। पहले से अगर हम लोग ये चीजें करते रहेंगे तो हमारे आगे के जीवन में ये काम में आएगा। ओके, रीडिंग फिक्शन, ये रीडिंग फिक्शन दैट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन एनहांसिंग द कनेक्टिविटी इन द ब्रेन। फिक्शन यानी क्या? इसमें फिक्शन यानी जो स्टोरीज वगैरह हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, तो क्यों उसमें ये होता है? क्योंकि वो क्या प्लॉट है, कौन से कैरेक्टर्स हैं, पहले क्या हुआ था, ये भी हम लोगों को याद रखना पड़ेगा। ओके, तो ये बड़ी बड़ी जो नॉवेल्स हैं वो भी हम लोगों को रीड करनी चाहिए। ओके, फिक्शन जैसे द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कैन थिंक ऑफ इज वो करमचंद जैसा वो डिटेक्टिव सीरियल्स वगैरह, दे वर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एट दैट टाइम, वी वर वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टेड। सो फिक्शन, डिटेक्टिव, दिस वो अगर आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपके ब्रेन को चालना मिलेगी। अगाथा क्रिस्टी के नॉवेल्स वगैरह। ओके, सो फिक्शन यू मस्ट read, that helps in enhancing the connectivity in the brain. Paromita, please tell me when this will get over, huh? If the
If we do
Yeah, it'll get
Sudoku
over in about 4 minutes.
oh.
Yes, but
Achha.
if we do
Okay.
Sudoku and all, they are helpful to the brain. The puzzles.
Puzzles, yes, correct. What you're saying is
Sudoku.
Sudoku
Yes.
is very, yes.
Very
But
good. And
Sudoku salon sal, if we are
Yes,
going to do the
they
same
show-
thing, that is not going to stimulate your brain. You must try and do something else also. There are other new puzzles which you can learn. Okay, so after a particular time, you need to form new connections in the brain. Doing that same thing again and again will not help you to do that. That's what we are saying. So that is
Madam, there was a video and
Okay.
the girl puts a bandage on her eyes and with closed eyes she can read the full book. Is it possible that way? She's practiced so much. She can read anything with closed eyes.
Who is that? Who can read with
There was
closed?
a video came, yes. And she can read everything. A full page she could read.
Acha, okay. The thing is, without the earphones, I am not able to hear you properly. Okay, so reading. So reading, I think now many different options are available. You can read in big print also. You have Kindles, jo big prints mein available hai. So you could do that also. So as I was saying, expanding your vocabulary. Okay, expanding your vocabulary is also very, very important. Okay, so pehle when I was, small, when I was in college, I had this, I was very interested in, every day I used to learn 5 new words and write it down. Okay, so that, you are able to learn English in a better way. Okay, so expanding our vocabulary also helps in our memory processing. Okay, artwork, okay, also enhances the connectivity of the brain. It helps in boosting introspection, memory, empathy, attention, and focus. Okay, so artwork is also very, very important. They say dancing. Okay, एक step के बाद कौन सा step करना है? Okay, and I think you do have dancing sessions in Tare Social also. So reduces the risk of Alzheimer's, very, very important, and increases neural connectivity. Sleeping, and the last this they have said is sleeping. So it helps in encouraging learning retention. So if I have learned a particular thing and if that is बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है तो I must sleep so that it is able to जो सीखा है उसको मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा strengthen करके याद रख सकूं अच्छे से. Okay, so these are certain things which will help in applying the principle of neuroplasticity in our day-to-day life. Another thing, which I just wanted to depression, when we are talking about depression and anxiety, we are saying that is called negative neuroplasticity. That means depression can cause damage to the brain, which encourages unhealthy and maladaptive pathways. So positive neuroplasticity and negative neuroplasticity. जैसे पॉजिटिव कनेक्शंस हमारे ब्रेन में तैयार होते हैं, वैसे ही माल अडेप्टिव और अनहेल्दी कनेक्शंस भी हमारे ब्रेन में तैयार हो जाते हैं, एंड वी हैव टू prevent ourselves from doing that. Another this which I found very interesting, and which I wanted to share with all of you. When we say neuroplasticity and anxiety, ओके सो हम लोगों को लगता है कि एंजाइटी को सिर्फ हम लोगों को नहीं चाहिए होती है एंजाइटी, विच इज अंडरस्टैंडेबल, बट द एंजाइटी वायरिंग इज स्टिल देयर इन आवर ब्रेन. सो दे आर सेइंग दैट वी नीड टू क्रिएट कॉम्पिटिटिव वायरिंग. What is competitive wiring? We need to create specific wiring of what we want to achieve, which is competitive wiring to the problem.